Hello and welcome to the study of MCQs. In this session, we will test your general knowledge. Are you ready for a general knowledge quiz? So let's get started. Question number 1. Name the country with highest number of time zones in the world. Option A, France. Option B, Russia. Option C, Canada. And option D is USA. The right option is option A. France is the country with highest number of time zones in the world. Question number 2. How many strips are there on US flag? Option A 13, option B 11, option C 12 and option D is 14. And the right option is option A. There are 13 strips on US flag. Question number 3. Which country has the most number of islands in the world? Option A Indonesia, option B Finland, option C Sweden and option D is Canada. And the right option is option C. Sweden is the country with highest number of islands in the world. What is the smallest country in the world? Option A Nauru, option B Monaco, option C the Vatican and option D is San Marino. And the right option is the Vatican City is the smallest country in the world. What is the capital of Canada? Option A Ottawa, option B Oslo, option C Canberra and option D is Paris. And the right option is option A. Ottawa is the capital of Canada. What is the largest mountain range in the world? Option A the Andes, option B Himalayas, option C Atlas Mountain and option D is Alps Mountain. And the right option is option A. The Andes is the largest mountain range in the world. Where was the first modern Olympic Games held? Option A Athens, option B Rome, option C Paris and option D is Frankfurt. And the right option is option A. Athens is the place where first modern Olympic Games were held on 1896. Which football team is known as the Red Devils? Option A Liverpool, option B Real Madrid, option C Manchester United and option D is Arsenal. And the right option of this question is Manchester United team is known as the Red Devils. Driver has won the most Formula 1 champions. Option A Lewis Hamilton, option B Max Verstappen, option C Michael Schumacher and option D is Sebastian Vettel. And the right option is Michael Schumacher is the driver who has won most Formula 1 champions. The clothing company Nike was originally called option A Green Ribbon Sports, option B Red Ribbon Sports, option C Blue Sports and option D Grey Ribbon Sports. And the right option is option C. Company was originally known as Blue Ribbon Sports. Thanks for watching. For more updates and tutorials, please subscribe the study of MCQs. Thank you very much.